Hey class, it's Miss Carpenter and I'm here to help you start to create your portfolios in Schoology. Originally, I was going to implement a digital notebook. This is the same concept, except it's all going to be in Schoology instead of in your Google Drive. That doesn't mean that you can't do something in Google Drive and then add it to your portfolio. I'm going to show you what I mean, and we will go from there. And hopefully, this will work out really well. The method behind this madness is to keep everything in the same place, okay, and easily accessible by you and by me. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, here's sixth grade. But what I want you to do, and you can do this for other classes as well, if this will help you stay organized, is you are going to click your little person right up here. And you're going to click the down caret, and you're going to go to your profile. Okay, here I am on my profile, my position, grade levels, course, and a little bit about me. Okay, and you can also see my courses here on the side and other groups that I belong to. But what I mainly want to talk to you about is this right over here. You can say updates. I click that. No posts there. You can see info, blog, and portfolios. I'm not too keen on the blog yet. It may make sense that that's something that we use in the future, especially if our portfolios get a little muddled. But for now, this is what we're going to focus on, creating a portfolio. Right now, I have 3 portfolios created, and these are the 3 that I want you to create as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete these just to show you what it looks like from the very beginning. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say new portfolio, and I'm going to type in reader response. Okay, and what does this mean? This is where we respond to and reflect on either our self-selected books or in class texts. Okay, I can edit this image if I want. I can change the color. I can also upload an image from the web. So maybe if I want to put a book in there or something like that, I can just know that I can do that. Now, when it's time to add items to your portfolio for reader response, this is what you're going to do. I'm going to create a page. And so say this is a book that I am reading. So Ivy Aberdeen, Letter to the World. So here is a book. These are responses that have to do with myself. Selected text. Then when you're prompted by me, you would put the date. Today is the 31st. And so say the prompt is, give a brief summary of what you've read today and identify with one of the characters. Why can you identify with that character? So it's just for an example, say this is your prompt. I'll give that to you, and your assignment will be to go into your portfolio and write that reader response. So I may say that, I can identify with Ivy in that she feels really left out within her family. She's kind of growing up and going through some things. So that might be something I explain in there. And look, you can see here at the top, it saves it for you. Isn't that cool? So then when I go back to my portfolios, there it is. And I can click on it and then you can see the different things that I'm reading and the different responses to them that I'm going to have. Okay, there are a couple of other portfolios that I want you to create today and worry about today. And we'll add more as we see fit, but for right now, it's just 3. One is going to be micro writing, and whenever you create your writing in here, you can add the page. If you like working in Google Drive, you can also do that. So say I want to write about, let's make a new document, and I'm going to call it unicorns just for fun. Okay, unicorns, and then blah, blah, blah. You know, I'm not going to type it right now. But so there's that. And then when I'm in Schoology, I can add a file. Oops, that's not it. Well, this would be if something's saved on your computer. Okay, I could add a file. You could add a link. And so I would Control copy, make sure that my sharing permissions, yeah, see, change to north side. Be sure you do that, otherwise I can't look at it. And then I'm going to put, oh no, where'd it go? I'm going to put the link right there. Add link. And there it is. Okay. You can also submit an assignment that you might have done in Schoology if you wanted to add it to your profile. Okay. So let me go back, and then we're going to do one more, and that is Word Nerd Study. And this is going to be for vocabulary. So some of the first vocabulary that I have coming up for you has to do with poetry. So I might make a page within that portfolio for vocab and give it a title called Poetry Vocabulary. Okay? Now, whenever I have you go back to the word nerd, and I'll be able to, I'm going to have to explain it to you in the week's assignments as they come on, because I did change things up. That's what it should look like. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll work through this together, and I know it's going to be great. So I will be seeing you. All right, bye-bye.